Hi friends, Chris here from PhaseDoc. We're back in our series of how to mount your electronic components for project building. One of the things we talked about was the importance of protecting your components. Let's take a look at some of these boards. Of course, there are a lot of components on the top side, but a lot of single board computers have things on the bottom. This is a Raspberry Pi, has an SD card socket here as well as an integrated circuit chip there. The BeagleBone has even more things on the bottom. You've got the SD card here, a couple of USB ports, a number of surface-mounted components, as well as solder joints on the bottom. This is a battery shield here, and it also has some components on the bottom and a number of solder joints that protrude quite a long way. Even boards that are really perfectly flat on the bottom still have exposed contact pads which could be short-circuited, so you want to be careful about that. Contrast that with the breadboard, which is perfectly flat on the bottom and in fact intended to be mounted directly to a surface with double-sided sticky tape there. This is a terminal block. It also has a flat surface, and it's got two holes in here that will let you mount that, so it's ready to go in a direct mount situation as well. This little speaker has two little mounting tabs for running screws through, but they're not on the bottom, so you have to support those somehow or you'll break those off. So these are just some of the things that you need to consider. The takeaways are you want to spend some time looking carefully at the bottom surface of your component to judge the best way to mount it, and realize that most of your single board computers are going to want to be raised up off the surface some distance in order to protect those. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk more next week.